Good day, everyone.
I was born and raised in Detroit. Growing up there, I saw people like me running things.
This is a courtroom, not a circus, so we're gonna calm down.
I'm sorry.
What I found there was a passion that I didn't know existed.
This is the bottom line.
I'm excited to free fall into the limitless possibilities with we the people. So many are fearful of the law. They think it's something that works against them.
I think you need to begin to accept responsibility for your mistakes.
We are the people.
Pro skater Darius Cole claims his sponsorship deal fell flat when the defendant refused to pay him in full for promoting a new skate park.
All rise.
Daniel Brooks says Mr. Cole turned his gig as a promoter into a protest against the development.
Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Lauren Lake presiding.
You may be seated.
Hello, Your Honor.
Thank you, Sean. Hello. Good day, everyone. Good day. This is the case of Cole versus Brooks. Mr. Cole, you are suing Mr. Brooks for $5,000 for breach of contract. You say you fulfilled a contract sponsor deal, but was withheld half of your pay. Is that correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
And Mr. Brooks, you say that he violated the integrity clause of that contract and you're justified in withholding.
Absolutely.
All right, Mr. Cole, what type of sponsor deal was this?
So, the sponsor deal was to promote the Oakland Park, skateboard park that Mr. Dave Brook right here was building in our West Philly community. And he picked me as a representative because he know my influence on the community as a skater that also grew up taking part in the same activities, which is skating. And it was easier for me to promote that because I grew up around it and it's part of my whole background, and that's what.
So this is like a skate park?
Yes, indeed.
The one with all the slopes and you ride the skateboards
Yes,
and
jump? I'm known in the street as a diverse. That's a skate move, as you can see. I'm a professional skater.
Did you bring video of what you do?
I have pictures.
Let me see them.
Plenty of pictures, mostly during the event that took place. I was required on the contract to at least attend.
Oh, yeah, you're high, you're getting up there. So you were building the skate park, Mr. Brooks?
Absolutely. We've been doing redevelopment in West Philly and have a mixed-use building and a community skate park. We hired Mr. Cole to promote the skate park, and he took the opportunity to turn it into a protest against gentrification for his own social media.
A protest? What happened?
He's protesting the gentrification of the neighborhood.
All right, so you are building a skate park in?
We did. We built one.
Philly?
Yes.
All right, which is a predominantly black area?
Sure.
And you are building that skate park as a gift to the public, or is it because the entire neighborhood is starting to be gentrified?
We built it for the community.
Sorry, Your Honor. It was not a protest. Let me correct him right there. It was not a protest. That's the interpretation that the public got from me wearing my shirt that also represent me.
It says right here.
Saying
All right.
An article in
Don't
social
get ahead
media
of
posts.
yourself. Let me ask the questions and you answer them. That way I can understand the story. What is this shirt that you wore?
Well, the shirt that I wore was part of my brand.
Is this the shirt in the picture that you presented?
Yes. The
All
ones
right.
that say ours first.
Ours first.
Ours first.
Okay.
And it was misinterpreted by the outside viewer / the audience as the community was ours first. And I'm not denying that, but that was not my intention. My saying of ours first was more about skating and the culture of skating, because you can go back in history. We started it first. And me as a skater and trying to demonstrate that it's one of the greatest avenues.
Your Honor, he's trying to play both sides of the card here. He's trying to be commercial.
You just don't
with his
understand
promotions,
what I'm coming
and
from.
we're sponsoring him.
You just don't understand where I'm coming from, Your Honor.
So let me look at this sponsor deal. Is this in this packet as well, or do you have it, Mr. Brooks?
Yes, ma'am, it is. And I completed all.
You're talking about Clause 7.
I still don't
So
understand
you're supposed to be
how.
paid $10,000. You got the first 5,000.
Yes, indeed.
You're suing for the remaining.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm looking here at the sponsorship agreement. Under Section 7, it says that the sponsor may terminate the agreement if the athlete engages in conduct that causes public scandal or damages the sponsor's reputation. This is the clause that you're speaking about, Mr.
Absolutely.
Brooks. You feel like Mr. Cole violated that Section
There's no
7
question.
by this shirt that he's wearing.
Yeah, well, the social media posts and the article
All right,
that came
and
from the shirt.
Let me see all of that. I want to look at, is the shirt the one here, pictured here, that says ours first?
Yes.
Okay. And the social media posts you're speaking of are in your evidence?
Yes, they are.
All right, let me look at those.
But like I said, he's trying to play both sides of the card. He agreed to help us promote the project and the skate park, and now he's trying to play the other side of the card like
I did
he's...
not breach the agreement, Your Honor. I labeled an ad like it was said.
It's a simple
I posted
contract.
as an ad. It's the perception of the viewer.
Coming up,
My people, the black people, started skating.
In this space.
In this space.
Before it became glamorous
Worldwide.
and beautiful.
We were skating in
and
South
now
Philly
people of
years
all
before.
races and cultures can skate there, and now it's a hip spot.
and later,
Did you hit Miss Anderson's sculptor?
Yes, I hit the sculpture, but I was not going full throttle. You can't. It's a
On
it's
a cul-de-sac.
Also, I don't drive an 18-wheeler. I drive just a regular old box truck.
if you'll be in the Los Angeles area and want to bring your case to court, call 1-888-552-6878. You're watching Emmy-nominated We the People with Judge Lauren Lake. We're back with a dispute between Darius Cole and Daniel Brooks over a skate park promotion.
So one of the issues you have, Mr. Brooks, with the plaintiff's performance of this particular sponsorship is a social media post. And
Yes,
I
it went
see
viral.
a copy of a post here. It was posted by Brandon Brady Media. Who is that?
I have no idea.
Do you know who that is, Mr. Cole?
I'm guessing one of the attendees of the grand opening, but
So it's not your
it
company.
is not my post.
And it's not someone that represents you, a
No,
PR
ma'am.
company or anything like that.
No, ma'am.
And you have no idea who it is.
No, I have no idea
But
who
this
it is.
post says, did Ours First just become the face of the anti-gentrification movement? How are you blaming this post on Mr. Cole?
It's pretty clear, I thought, that
It's not, or I
harming the
wouldn't have asked
reputation
you.
of the development.
Tell me what your opinion of this post is and how you connect it to Mr. Cole.
It's calling us out as gentrifying the neighborhood as opposed to
But
uplifting.
Mr. Cole isn't calling you out. This is someone that was either there or has an opinion about the skate park.
I see what
Why
you're
would
saying.
you
but-
not pay him when he didn't write this?
Well, the promotion went south because of his T-shirt.
So once that happened, people began to, instead of talk about this new great skate park you were developing in the middle of the community, the talk became that it was anti-gentrification.
Exactly.
And he was sending messages through his shirt.
Exactly.
And so what was your point, Mr. Cole, of choosing a shirt that says Ours First?
Ours First, to me, like I keep saying, Your Honor, it's about skating. We started the skating. Me and my people, my community, started the skating. So me saying ours, I'm not talking about the area.
So the whole skating and skate park, you all started in Philly. That's where skating started. I don't know the history, so I'm genuinely asking. You're saying you started it,
No.
or you mean in your community?
In my community.
Your people that lived in that community for many years, you all started skating there. Before there was a fancy skate park, before there was all of the attention in the media, you were skating there.
When I say my people, I mean the people that I represent that looks like me. My people, the black people, started skating.
In
So
this
it's
space.
in this space.
Before it became glamorous
Worldwide.
and beautiful.
We were skating in
and
South
now
Philly
people of
years
all
before.
races and cultures can skate there, and now it's a hip spot, and now people come, and I understand. So you were claiming that this was we started this, right?
It's a pride, you know?
It's a pride thing. And so, Mr. Brooks, I do have a question for you before I rule. Why is it so offensive that Mr. Cole say ours first, or this t-shirt says ours first, when your entire ad not only features Mr. Cole, one of the original people who skated in this area, or you might not have been you, but maybe your community, but your ad says Community Culture Movement Oakland. Like, you are using community and culture in your ad to market your park. You didn't like someone's opinion about it. That's no different than you posting this and you got the same response. Why is this community being gentrified? Are you now gonna have a problem with your marketing team?
No, ma'am.
No, and you can't have a problem with him. When you redevelop areas that were once owned, operated, frequented, communed, the soul of a city where there has been so many roots and history, you have to be mindful, respectful, and also you have to honor that, which is what your ad says, right? And yet this young man, who is really the face of this culture, you utilize his skills and pay him to be a part of that, then you have to let him be authentically who he is in that community.
I understand.
You owe him his money. Judgment for the plaintiff for $5,000. Court is adjourned.
All rise.
Judge Lake has ruled in favor of the plaintiff. The defendant is ordered to pay $5,000.
You can't play both sides of the card.
I just want you to know, Mr. Brooks, you gotta know what comes with hiring an artist. The perception is not under our control. Point blank, period. That's about it.
Please follow me this way, gentlemen.
Coming up.
And then when you pulled out to make the three-point turn, you admitted, just in your testimony, that you did hit one of the topiaries.
Yes, ma'am. And she was screaming that I hit Frederick. I didn't know who Frederick was. I thought it was a dog. I thought it was maybe a cat.
You're watching Emmy-nominated We the People with Judge Lauren Lake. Agnes Anderson claims the defendant carelessly ran over her prize-winning flamingo topiary and needs to pay for the damage. Rodney Strickland says the bush was too close to the street.
Good day, everyone. Good day. This is a case of Anderson versus Strickland. Ms. Anderson, you are suing Mr. Strickland for $2,050 for property damage and emotional distress. You say the defendant was reckless and destroyed your prize-winning flamingo. Ms. Anderson, tell the court what happened.
I'm a retired school teacher. I teach agricultural science. I taught agricultural science, and I am retired now. I started sculpting these beautiful topiaries that are in my yard. I have 4 of them.
May I see that? Is that your evidence? May I see that, please? All right, so you started sculpting beautiful topiaries. Oh, I see them.
Yes.
Elephant with the tusk up?
Yes.
My grandmother loved elephants with the tusk up. She collected them.
Yes, that's Gary.
That's Gary?
Yes.
Tell the court why you're here today suing Mr. Strickland. What happened?
Well, Mr. Strickland came into my cul-de-sac, not a highway where an 18-wheeler would go. It was my cul-de-sac where he reversed and went plowing into my beautiful...
Mr. Strickland, did you hit Ms. Anderson's sculptor?
Yes, I hit the sculpture, but I was not going full throttle. You can't. It's a
cul-de-sac.
Also, I don't drive an 18-wheeler. I drive just a regular old box truck.
Coming up.
I had to find some very specialized horticulturists to come and do surgery on my Frederick.
You're watching Emmy-nominated We the People with Judge Lauren Lake. We're back with the case of Agnes Anderson, who blames Rodney Strickland for driving over her prize-winning topiary.
What was your occasion to be on the street? Did you live there? Were you working? What were you doing?
I was working. I own my own delivery service. Her next-door neighbor ordered something rather large, so I was making that delivery. And as I was trying to leave. As you can see, it's a cul-de-sac, and I drive a giant box truck, not a Mini Cooper.
And then when you pulled out to make the three-point turn, you admitted, just in your testimony, that you did hit one of the topiaries.
Yes, ma'am. And she was screaming that I hit Frederick. I didn't know who Frederick was. I thought it was a dog. I thought it was maybe a cat.
All right, and then what happens? Did she reach out to you concerning it?
She did. Like I said, I told her that I would pay for the bush. And she comes back to me with a $2,000 bill saying that she needed to pay all these people to bring it out and to pay for the bush itself. And she had to have therapy and entrance fee to the show that she missed, something like $500 for the money that she could have won.
Oh, she missed a show that she was trying. You missed a show that you had entered because the topiary had been damaged.
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
And how much did you pay to enter that show?
$120.
Okay. And what was the cost that you told Mr. Strickland that it would cost to replace Frederick?
$2,050.
So, and $2,050 covers what?
I had to find some very specialized horticulturists to come and do surgery on my Frederick.
Okay, so you were able to put Frederick back together?
Yes, together.
And do you have a receipt for the fee that they charged you?
Yes, it's included in the $750.
All right, so why are you suing him for $2,050? Because this total comes up to $870.
There are other costs that were involved.
And what were those?
And that would be my time going back and forth, buying certain tools and certain things to get it started.
But did you present evidence of that? I need the evidence.
I sent it to him.
Did you get that evidence?
No, ma'am.
Judge Lake's verdict when We the People returns. You're watching Emmy-nominated We the People with Judge Lauren Lake.
Okay. This court is giving you ample opportunity, Ms. Anderson. I know how near and dear this is to you, and I can see how intricate it is. But in order to collect on that, you need to be able to itemize those costs so you can be awarded that in court. You've proven now $870 worth of damages that this court can award to you based upon the damage Mr. Strickland caused to this beautiful, beautiful design that you have. And for that reason, this court is awarding you $870. Court is adjourned.
All rise.
Judge Lake has ruled in favor of the plaintiff. The defendant is ordered to pay $870.
You know that's totally unfair. The amount of hours that I had to spend to do that.
I did you a favor. You wanted to do it anyway.
You did not do me a favor.
You were going to do it anyway.
You
It's
have
fine.
no heart, none at all.
But I
Please
don't have to
follow
pay
me
you.
this way.
This has been a production of Allen Media Group.